Good morning. Day one of actually it's day two. Last night was day one. We got in super late. It's pitch black dark, and we are in Broken Bow, Oklahoma, up here with some of my friends, my brothers, and we camped out. It was awesome. The views are spectacular. And it's just a dude's camping trip. We're gonna go adventure some, find a new spot that's not really in a park like this. It's part of the national forest, so I'm excited about that, but I need to wake up first, so breakfast. Good morning, Sleepyhead.
Good morning.
Let's see where our chef is doing.
What's up?
Oh man, it's so awesome out here. Last night was cool, man. Hanging out by the campfire, drinking a bunch of cold beers, and just BSing, telling stories. So it's a very, very good first night. Remnants of said campfire. Alrighty boys, we are on the road and we're using this really cool GPS app. It's called Gaia, I think, G-A-I-A. But we are about to hit our trail, our wildlife trail. Actually, this is it here. So this is Dispersed camping in Oklahoma. Oh boy. This is where we are, boys. We're here. I present to you nature.
Nature. Wow.
Oh my gosh, we made it, boys, to the top, to the top,
Somebody
to the top.
get him.
Help me out here.
I'm enjoying it.
The beast is here. For all you people that are like, hey, drive the truck, drive the truck. This is driving the truck. I mean, this is the most off-road I've ever done in my life. It's been really, really sick. We are at like 1,000 feet of elevation right now. Just views on views on views. Shout out to Stradman. Dude, amazing. This is so cool. Check that out. Do you see the sparkles? You see the glitter? We are close to the water. Hayden, you're gonna man the camera, my man.
That's two mans, because I'm two man.
Man.
Two mans worth.
Ooh, we are in it, boys. Point it at me real quick. It's probably dark on the screen, I apologize. Back there though, we went down this hill and we got to see the truck flex a little. So on the way out, I'm hoping we can capture some video for you and show you how the tires tuck up into the truck with the offset and the 37. So, but this is what we're excited about. We left the high up view to come down to ground level to come camping on the water. Right there. Heck yeah, bro. Man, the truck is taking a beating. Look at it. It's like we're using it for what it's supposed to be used for. It's awesome. So on the way in, we actually went down this super steep incline, and it was bumpy, man. The truck was doing its thing. It was flexing out. So on the way out, I'm going to try and get some footage of that for you guys, just to show you how the 37s tuck up in there just fine. But we are using the truck to its abilities out here, man. It's pretty big for some of these trails. I mean, that's a tight little gap in some areas up there. But, dude, it's awesome so far. I'm super blown out. Let me fix this. Let me introduce you guys to the crew that I'm camping with. I have yet to do that. So up on the pole, we have Karate Kid. This is my brother-in-law, Jason. This is his brother, Joel, which he's our brother too. We just call him brother. This is my other brother, Hayden. And we are the glampers of Broken Bow.
Is this considered glamping though?
Yeah, we're pretty much glamping, dude.
That's
high-end
camping.
We brought like a hibachi grill with us, so
Yeah.
it's okay. But it's beautiful. We're gonna get some water here, have some cold beers, and cook up some really good dinner. So stay tuned. Fajitas! Cold beer.
What?
You hear the echo? Woo! Coors Light! Oh, it's so awesome. Can we see under here? Oh no, it's so dark. We got Hayden cooking some din-din on the grill. Fajitas. And then these goobers.
Diego.
These Aggies over here. Watching the Aggie game while they're camping, man. What are we doing here, people? Texas did win today, so go UT. They beat OU, so ha! Watch out, Chef. Watch out. Ooh, this fire is hot. Keeping the bugs away. This is our last night here. Tomorrow we return home. Whoa, 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 whoa. It was the chair. Tomorrow we return home, and I'm ready for it. The shower sounds good. Sounds nice. These guys stink as well. So we're feeling good. And gonna crack another beer, have another cold. Oh, Jason's got one. And enjoy some fajitas. So yeah. And just as fast as that, camp is broke down in the back of the truck. We're tired, stinky, smelly. This guy over here's got a poop real bad. Scared to do it in the trees. So we're gonna go to I think McDonald's. We're gonna run away from these mosquitoes. They are massive out here. They are Jurassic Park sized baby pterodactyls. And so we're gonna hit up this trail and go back. Ooh, it got dark and foggy. Yeah. So Beast is awake, going up the trail.
Where is that dog? Oh, Sean.
Maybe somebody else operate the camera.
No, that's a tree. small boar over here, a big one. There he is. There he is. Look at that dude.
They left me.